They are represented by
Sofa Adelali Tutu,
Abigail Anhiakunu,
Kevin Anakwamieji.
Philip Abam.
Put your hands together for them too. Contestants, you're welcome to the competition. Round one is the right corner round. There's a lot of speed in this. Round one, you have 2 minutes to answer 8 questions on social literacy. And the correct answer to any question will attract 10 points. The wrong answer will attract no deductions. Are you ready, contestants? Family and friends watching us at home, let's begin the contest with round one. Starting off with Scott International School. You have 2 minutes to answer these questions. The timer begins after I've read the first question. Where's Ekem Ferguson buried in Ghana?
Pass.
When was the Native Jurisdiction Ordinance, the NGO, passed in the Gold Coast? Is it 1954, 1882, 1844, or 1883?
Pass.
When was the Gold Coast Colony and Protectorate declared? Is it A, in 1847, in 1957, in 1844, or in 1874?
Pass.
Your fourth question, when was the Sagrenti War fought? Is it 1902, 1825, 1890, or 1874?
1874.
1874 is the right answer. Your fifth question, which country experienced the first Marxist revolution? Is it Russia, China, Japan, Canada?
Pass.
Your passing question number 5. Number 6, when was Brazil discovered? Is it 1503, 1500, 1970, or 1666?
Pass.
Your passing question number 6. Number 7, which country experienced the Boston Tea Party? Is it Britain, China, USA, or Sri Lanka?
Pass.
Your passing number 7. Number 8, when did the Boston Tea Party occur? Is it 1844, 1910, 1804, or 1773?
B.
B for question number 8 is incorrect. You pass question number 1. Where is Ekem Ferguson buried in Ghana? Is he in Accra? Is he in Cape Coast, Kumasi, or Wa?
Cape Coast.
Is incorrect. When was the Native Jurisdiction Ordinance, the NGO, passed in the Gold Coast? 1954, 1882, 1852, I beg your pardon, 1844, or 1883? Unfortunately, you've been bailed out. Put your hands together for them, please. For La Wireless, the same rules applies to you as well. Listen carefully for your set of questions. You have 2 minutes to answer them. Which Fante town does Ekem Ferguson come from? Is it A, Mankasim, B, Anomabo, C, Cape Coast, D, Salt Pond?
Pass.
You're passing this. 2. When was Ekem Ferguson killed? Is it in 1902, 1897, or 1957?
Pass.
The third question, who killed Ekem Ferguson? Adolf Hitler, Mussolini, Samori Toure, Ya Asantewaa?
Pass.
You're passing number 3. Who was the Asantehene during the Sagrenti War? Is it Osei Bonsu, Prempeh I, Ya Asantewaa, or Kofi Kakari?
Pass.
Number 5. In which country did the Renaissance begin? Is it in France, in Italy, in Greece, or in Rome?
Pass.
Your 6th question. Who became the first man to sail around the world? Is it Marco Polo, Christopher Columbus, Ferdinand Magellan, Diego
Christopher Columbus?
That is incorrect. Your 7th question is, who discovered the North Pole? Is it Robert Walpole, Ferdinand Magellan, Robert Wilson, or Robert Perry?
Pass.
Your 8th question, in which country did the Aztec civilization originate? In which country did the Aztec civilization originate? Is it Mexico, Australia, Russia, or Cuba?
Mexico.
Mexico is the right answer. You passed question number 1. Which Fante town does Ekem Ferguson come from? Mankasim, Cape Coast, and Anomabo, Salt Pond?
Mankasim.
Incorrect. When was Ekem Ferguson killed? 1902, 1824, 1897, 1957?
1902.
Incorrect. Who killed Ekem Ferguson? Adolf Hitler, Mussolini, Samora Toure, Ya Asantewaa?
Asantewaa.
Incorrect. Who was the Asantehene during the Sagrenti War? Osei Bonsu, Prempeh I, Ya Asantewaa, Kofi Kakari? Well, you've been bailed out, unfortunately. Put your hands together for them, please. At the end of round 1, ladies and gentlemen, La Wireless 5 Primary and Junior High School had 10 points. And Scott International School also had 10 points. Put your hands together for them. Contestants, welcome to round 2 of the contest. This is the R-cubed round. The questions will bother on reading, writing, and arithmetic. Each school is posed the question for a maximum of 10 points. A wrong answer will attract a penalty of 5 points. If a school gets an answer wrong and decides not to attempt a question, it will be passed on immediately as a bonus to the competing school for a maximum of 5 points for a correct answer or a deduction of 5 points for a wrong answer. I'm starting round 2 with La Wireless 5 Primary and Junior High School. Are you ready, contestants?
Yes, please.
For both schools, this is a preamble. We're looking for synonyms. We're looking for synonyms. What is the synonym for this word? Prosper. Is it A, thrive, B, advance, C, enlarge, D, increase?
A, thrive.
That is the right answer. Your major question, Scott International School. What is the synonym for this word? Obloquy. Is it A, lethargy, B, burial service, C, verbal abuse, D, vulgar joke?
Pass.
A bonus?
Pass.
The answer is verbal abuse. Verbal abuse. Your major question, La Wireless 5 Primary and Junior High School. What is the synonym for this word? Enthrall. Is it A, inspire, B, charm, C, glorify, D, annoy?
Pass.
A bonus to Scott International.
Pass.
The answer is charm. Charm. Your major question, Scott International School. The synonym for baffle. Is it A, insult, B, frustrate, C, defame, D is antagonize?
B.
B, frustrate is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. And this is a preamble also, and we're looking for synonyms of the highlighted word in the sentence. I'll tell you which word has been highlighted. I'll read to you the options, and then you give me the right answer. Do you understand?
Yes, please.
The film deals with decadent feudalism. Decadent has been underlined. Your options: A, declining, B, diminishing, C, unless, D, prevalent. Prevalent.
Prevalent.
That is incorrect. A bonus to Scott International School.
Pass.
The answer is declining. Declining. Your major question, Scott International School. The rebels made an abortive attempt to overthrow the government. An abortive has been underlined. Your options: A, an overt, B, a violent, C, a secret, D, an unsuccessful.
A.
A is incorrect. A bonus.
Pass.
The answer is an unsuccessful attempt, an abortive. Your major question, La Wireless 5 Primary and Junior High School. The Meteorological Department has announced that there's little prospect for rain in the near future. Prospect has been underlined. Your options are these: possibility, foresight, progress, prediction.
A.
A is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Major question, Scott International School. In spite of a number of problems, he maintained his equanimity. Equanimity has been underlined. Your options are these: presence of mind, calmness of mind, self-confidence, and sense of humor.
B.
B is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Your turn now, La Wireless 5 Primary and Junior High School. I need you to get your pens and your papers ready. We're doing some calculations. Listen carefully. The cost of a stencil is decreased by 30%. If the original cost is $140, find the decreased cost.
$42.
42 is incorrect. A bonus to Scott International School.
98.
98 is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Scott International School, your major question. A glass manufacturing company declares that a type of glass is now available for 11,200 cedis, as against 25,200 cedis 1 year before. Find the percentage reduction in the price of glass offered by the company. Bonus for you, La Wireless 5 Primary and Junior High School.
Pass.
The answer is 55.55. Your major question, Lawalas 5 Primary and Junior High School. Listen carefully. A number 168 was misread as 24. Find the reading error in percent. A bonus to you, Scott International.
Pass.
The answer is 85.7%. 85.7%. Scott, your major question. Find the number which, when decreased by 24%, becomes 594. Bonus to Lawala's 5 Primary and Junior High School.
Pass.
The answer is 781.5. 781.5. Lawala's your major question. At the movie theater, 3 buckets of popcorn and 4 drinks, okay, they cost 20 cedis. And 2 buckets of popcorn and 2 drinks cost 12 cedis. How much would 2 drinks and 1 bucket of popcorn cost?
10 cities.
That's incorrect. A bonus to Scott International School. Well, since nobody has an answer, please clap for the contestants. The answer is 7 cedis. Your major question, Scott International School. The total cost of 5 packs of gum and 2 tins of mints is 7 cedis 30 pesos. The total cost of 2 packs of gum and 5 tins of mints is 8 cedis 80 pesos. What is the total cost of 4 packs of gum and 4 tins of mints? Yes.
29.28.
Say that again.
29.28.
29.28, unfortunately, is incorrect. A bonus?
Pass.
The answer is 9.20. So 9 cedis 20 pesos. 9 cedis 20 pesos. 2 more questions to end round 2 of the competition. Your major question, Lawal, is 5. A right triangle has an area of 384 and 1 leg of length 32. What is the perimeter of the triangle? A bonus to Scott International School. The answer is 96. 96. 96. Last question. To end round 2 of the competition, an arithmetic sequence has the property that the 3rd term is twice the 1st term. If the 5th term is 48, what is the 2nd term in the arithmetic sequence? Bonus to Lawala's 5 Primary and Junior High School.
96.
No. The answer is 24. Put your hands together for the contestants, ladies and gentlemen. Contestants, that's the end of round 2 of the competition. Round 3 is a STEM round. We'll begin round 3 shortly, but after we get to know what the scoreboard is telling us at the end of round 2 of the competition. We'll take a substitution for Scott International School, please. Put your hands together as Lady Philippa takes leave of us. And Philippa has been replaced by
Malik.
Malik, you're welcome. At the end of round 2 of the competition, this is what the scoreboard is telling us. Lawala's 5 Primary and Junior High School had no point in round 2. And Scott International School had 5 points in round 2. Put your hands together for them, please.
Are you a motivated student interested in English, mathematics, science, and computational thinking? You want to stay competitive with hundreds of thousands of smart students from across the globe? Welcome to the Ghana Olympiad Academy. At the Ghana Olympiad Academy, we give access to students from grade 2 to SHS 3 to take part in international Olympiads. Candidates prepare and sit these exams online and get the chance to qualify for the Olympiads in rotating host nations across the world. Some of the international Olympiads include the International Junior Math Olympiad, Vanda Science Olympiad, Kangaroo Math, Igbo English Olympiad, Design Thinking, Robotics and Computational Thinking, amongst others. Join the Ghana Olympiad Academy today and catch up with the rest of the world academically. Go to www.ghanaolympiadacademy.com or WhatsApp 0570-898-762 for more.
Welcome to the STEM round. This is round 3. The questions are posed to both schools, and the schools can buzz in at any time with an answer. The right answer is for 10 points. A wrong answer is a deduction of 5 points. Will be passed on to the other school for a bonus and a chance to win 10 points for a right answer and a deduction of 5 points for a wrong answer. Listen carefully, both schools. Taxol is a drug currently being used to treat cancer, particularly resistant forms of breast cancer. A natural source of Taxol is A. Ginkgo leaves, B. Bark and leaves of yew tree, C. Apricot pits, D. Periwinkle flowers.
B.
Yes.
B.
B is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Don't forget to buzz, okay? Next question to both schools. What tree is the only tree known to live longer than the giant sequoia? Is it A. Ponderosa pine, B. Bristol cone pine, C. Grey oak, D is Allers trees? Yes.
B. B.
Is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Next question to both schools. What animal has the shortest lifespan of any animal on Earth? Is it A. Dragonfly, B. Mayfly, C. Chameleon, D. Snake?
B.
B is the right answer. Put your hands together for her. Your next question to both schools. During which of the following phase changes would the greatest amount of energy per gram of water be released to the environment? During which of the following phase changes would the greatest amount of energy per gram of water be released to the environment? Is it A. On an early summer morning, dew forms on a field, B. Ice sublimate on a very cold and dry day, C. On a cold fall morning, frost forms on a lawn, D. Water evaporates from a reservoir on a hot and dry day? Take us away.
A.
Is incorrect. Chance at the bonus? Yes.
B.
Is incorrect. The answer is C. On a cold fall morning, frost forms on a lawn. Your next question. Which form of solar radiation causes sunburn? A. Visible light radiation, B. X-ray radiation, C. Infrared radiation, D. Ultraviolet radiation? Yes.
Ultraviolet radiation.
That's the answer. Next question to both schools. Consider 3 types of cars: an electric car, a hybrid car, and a hydrogen fuel cell car. Which of these cars emits a substance which does not pollute the environment? Is it A, an electric car, B, a hybrid car, C, a hydrogen fuel cell car, or D? Okay.
Electric car.
Electric car is incorrect. Yes.
Hybrid car.
Hybrid car is also incorrect. The answer is a hydrogen fuel cell car. Your next question to both schools. Which one of the following statements is not correct about hybrid cars? A, they use only one means of energy source for power. B, they are designed specifically to maximize fuel efficiency. C, they produce 25% to 35% less in carbon dioxide emissions than regular cars. D, they are less powerful than electric cars. Yes.
They are less powerful than electric cars.
Unfortunately, that's not true. Bonus.
A.
We'll give it to you. A is the right answer. Put your hands together for this. Next question to both schools. Water heating for domestic use can be done by using an electric geyser, solar water geyser, heat pump, or coal-fired water heater. Which of these methods is the most user-friendly but least energy efficient? I'll read the question again. Water heating for domestic use can be done by using an electric geyser. It is spelled G-E-Y-S-E-R. Solar water, G-Y-S-E-R. Heat pump or coal-fired water heater. Which of these methods is the most user-friendly but least energy efficient? A. Solar water geyser. B is heat pump. C is electric geyser. And D is coal-fired water heater. Yes.
B.
B is incorrect. A bonus? Yes.
D. D.
Is also incorrect. The next question to both schools. The most important set of characteristics of the deep sea includes A. Low temperature, low pressure, and a low oxygen level. B. Low temperature, high pressure, and a low oxygen level. C. High temperature, high pressure, and a high oxygen level. D. High temperature, low pressure, and a high oxygen level. Yes.
B. B.
B is the right answer. Put your hands together for me. Last question for round 3. Angelo required an aqueous solution of sodium chloride. He made the solution by dissolving table salt in dash. A. Vinegar. B. Air. C. Oxygen gas. D. Water.
Water.
It's the right answer. Put your hands together for that. And that ends round 3 of the competition. Put your hands together for the contestants, please. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the scores for the end of round 3 of the competition now. At the end of round 3 of the competition, Lawaila's 5 primary and junior high school have minus 10 points, and Scott International School had 45 points. Contestants, we're beginning round 4 of the competition. And this is the one-on-one round. We'll leave on stage our experts in English language to battle it out. Let's put our hands together as the others take leave of us. In round 4, the students are paired on 4 areas. 2 questions are asked per subject area for a maximum of 10 points for a right answer and no deduction for a wrong answer. Malik and Ohima, you're welcome. In English language, please listen carefully and find the missing letters in the word. This word means strip of hair left to grow above the upper lip. It is spelled as this: M-S-T-A-C-H dash. M-S-T-A-C-H dash. We're talking about a mustache. It is, the missing letters are U and E. U and E. Put your hands together for them, please. Find the missing letters in this word. This word means to spend much time seated, okay? To spend much time seated. Find the missing letters. Dash, E, D, E, N, T, A, R, dash. Yes.
Student S and Y.
S and Y is the right combination. I like the raising his hand up to want to answer the question. Let's put our hands together for the contestants, please. And let's bring on stage our experts in mathematics. Delali and Moses, you're welcome. In mathematics, please listen carefully. In an election, 3 candidates received 2,272, 15,272, and 23,256 votes respectively. What percentage of the total votes did the winning candidate get? The answer is 57%, 57%. The next question in mathematics. In an election between two candidates, the winner secured 85% of the total votes cast and wins by a majority of 6,300 votes. How many votes did the losing candidate get? The answer is 1,350. 1,350. Put your hands together for them. And let's welcome on stage our young scientists. Kennedy and Abigail, you're welcome. In science, dash is a color formed by mixing blue and yellow pigments. Yes.
Violet.
Violet is incorrect. Chance at a bonus.
Pass.
The answer is green. Green is formed by mixing blue and yellow pigments. What color of light is formed when red, blue, and green colors of light meet in equal proportion? Yes.
White.
This is the right answer. Put your hands together for him, please. Let's bring on stage our experts in general knowledge. Kwame and Daniel, welcome. Identify this personality.
Kylian Mbappe.
That's the right answer. Please put your hands together for him. And now identify the personality whose voice this is.
Since 2017, as a result of work that has been done by the Public Procurement Authority, I have had my doubts about those figures, and depending on how it is interpreted, because I asked ABAJ that couldn't we look at it this way, that government officials wanted to swindle government and you stopped them. They said no, so he wouldn't look at it that way. But even the figures, how are we able to ascertain that those figures they are throwing out there are true? So
you can play the whole day. If you don't know, you don't know. His name is Manasseh Azuri. He's an investigative journalist in the country. Put your hands together for the contestants, please. Let the others join us on stage. Let the others join us. Contestants, students, those of you watching us at home, we've come to another end of a contest on the Junior Sharks Quiz Competition Season 6. At the end of round 4, this is what the scoreboard is saying, that La Wireless 5 Primary and Junior High School had 10 points and Scott International School had 20 points. Put your hands together for the contestants, please. And this is what the scoreboard is saying at the end of the entire 4-round contests. At the end of the contests, La Wireless 5 Primary and Junior High School had 10 points. Ladies and gentlemen, Scott International School had 80 points. Put your hands together for them. Scott International School, congratulations. We'll see you again in the next round. For La Wireless 5 Primary and Junior High School, unfortunately, this will be the end of the road for you for this season. But in the next season, I trust that we shall see you again. Thank you so much for joining us. Ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the contest. My name is Noble Crosby Annan, your quiz master. We're going for a break. We have one more contest. After the break, stay with us if you want to know which schools are competing.
We just finished our contest. When it started, it was a bit tough, but we mastered courage and came out victorious. And we are very confident that we will beat our competitors in the next stage of the competition. Thank you.
Welcome back to the Sharks Quiz competition. This is the Junior Sharks Season 6. My name is Noble Crosby and your quiz master for this contest. And it is between Ghana Christian International High School and Dakris International School. They say leaving no child behind. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together to welcome the contestants on stage. We'll start off with some introductions, starting with Dakris International School. Who do we have here?
Kezia Smith.
Geraldine Mante.
Larinda Chumisi.
Kojo Fiel.
Put your hands together for them, ladies and gentlemen. Dakris International School is competing against Ghana Christian International High School, and they are represented by
Tisiakon.
Oscar Obek Primus.
David Jedutete.
Kobna Dinakis.
Put your hands together for the contestants, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to round 1 of the competition. This is the right corner round. The school has 2 minutes to answer 8 questions on social literacy. A correct answer has 10 points. A wrong answer attracts no deduction. I'll start off round 1 with Ghana Christian International High School. Listen carefully, please. I repeat the question once after you've asked me to pass. With which people did the British sign the Sweet River Convention? Is it A, Dutch, B, Danes, C, Belgians, D, Swiss?
Pass.
Pass. Which war in the Gold Coast was also called the War of the Golden Stool? A, the Yasantua War, B, the Sovereignty War, C, the Samanko War, and D is the Fiyasu War.
The Sovereignty War.
The Sovereignty War is incorrect. How old was the Yasantua during the war? Is it A, 60 years, B, 89 years, C, 46 years, D, 78 years?
46 years.
46 years is incorrect. When was Prempeh I and his family arrested by the British? Is it A, 1896, B, 1924, C, 1902, and D, 1710?
Pass.
Pass. Where can the following landmarks be found in the world? Golden Gate Bridge.
Germany.
Incorrect. The Colosseum.
Italy.
That is right. The demilitarized zone.
Pass.
You're passing this. Your next question. The Eiffel Tower.
France.
The Eiffel Tower is in France. You passed question number 1. With which people did the British sign the Sweet River Convention? A, Dutch, B, Danes, C, Belgians, D, Swiss?
Danes.
Danes is incorrect. You passed question number 4. When was Prempeh I and his family arrested by the British? Is it A, 1896, B, 1924, C, 1902, or D, 1710?
1902.
1902 is incorrect. You passed question number 7. Where can the following landmarks be found in the world? The demilitarized zone.
Pass.
For Dakris International School, welcome to round 1. These are your set of questions. You have 2 minutes to answer them. The same rules applies to you. When was the Sweet River Convention signed? Is it A, in 1867, B, 1844, C, 1945, or D, 1703?
Pass.
Your next question. When was Prempeh I returned from exile? 1924, 1874, 1902, 1740?
Pass.
When did the Asantua die? 1921, 1924, 1986, 1896?
1921.
That is right. In which country did the Asantua die? Seychelles Islands, Fernando Po, Sierra Leone, England?
Seychelles Island.
That is right. Where can these landmarks be found? Big Ben.
London. London.
That's right. Statue of Liberty.
USA.
New York.
New York.
The Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Colombia.
Italy. Italy. Italy.
Sorry, we can't give that to you. The Pyramids of Giza.
Egypt.
That's it, right. Put your hands together for them. You passed questions number 1 and number 2. Question number 1. When was the Sweet River Convention signed? A is 1867, B is 1844, C is 1945, and D is 1703.
1867.
That's the right answer. When was Prempeh the first returned from exile? Is it A, 1924, B, 1874, C, 1902, or D, 1740? Since you're passing, the answer to that question is 1867. Put your hands together for them, please. We've come to the end of round one of the competition. At the end of round one, ladies and gentlemen, this is what the scoreboard is telling us. Ghana Christian International High School had 20 points, and Dakris International School had 60 points. We'll go into round two shortly, but first, let's take some substitutions. An Oscar from Ghana Christian International High School has been replaced by who?
Ellis Lumoti.
Ellis, you're welcome. Contestants, welcome to round two of the competition. Settle in quick and let's start round two. The questions will border on writing, reading, and arithmetic. Each school spells a question for a maximum of 10 points. A wrong answer will attract a penalty of 5 points. If a school gets an answer wrong and decides not to attempt the question, it will be passed on immediately as a bonus to a competing school for a maximum of 5 points. For a correct answer, or a deduction of 5 points for a wrong answer. In English, starting off with Dakris International School. Put in the correct letters to spell the word correctly. And this word means a tax or duty to be paid on a particular class of imports or exports. Dash A dash I F F. Bonus to Ghana Christian International High School.
T and R.
T and R, that's the right combination. We're talking about tariffs here. Your major question, Ghana Christian International High School. This word means an ornament. This is the spelling. Dash E W E L dash Y.
GNR.
GNR is the right combination. Put your hands together for them. Dakris International School. This word means overly emotional. Overly emotional. Dash RAM dash ATIC. Bonus to Ghana Christian International High School.
DNA.
Say again?
DNA.
Put your hands together for him, please. I think that's the right answer. Your major question to Ghana Christian International High School. This word means extremely happy. Dash LI dash SFUL.
BNS.
BNS is the right combination. Put your hands together for this. Your major question now to Dakris International School. This is a preamble to all of you. We're looking for antonyms, okay? We're looking for antonyms. The essay will be read better if you condense it a little. Condense is the word underlined. Your options: A, modify; B, increase; C, improve; D, elaborate.
B.
B is incorrect. A bonus.
D.
D is the right answer. Elaborate is the right answer. Your major question, Ghana Christian International High School. He is very frugal by nature. Frugal. Your options are liberal, generous, extravagant, careless.
Pass.
A bonus to Dakris International School.
Generous.
Generous is incorrect. The answer is extravagant. Extravagant. Your major question, Dakris International School. This glass is transparent. Transparent has been underlined. Your options: dark, murky, opaque, shaded.
Opaque.
Opaque is the right answer. Your major question, Ghana Christian International High School. He appears to be very sagacious. Sagacious has been underlined. Your options: disrespectful, flippant, foolish, sage-like.
Pass.
Bonus to Dakris International. Anybody in the audience with the answer? The answer is foolish. Next question, and a major question to Dakris International School. In a college election, and this is the point you take your pens and your papers. In a college election between two candidates, one candidate got 25% of the total valid votes. 30% of the votes were invalid. If the total votes were 7,600, what is the number of valid votes the other candidate got? Bonus to Christian, Ghana Christian International. Hi.
5,700.
That's incorrect. The answer is 3,990. 3,990. Your major question, Ghana Christian International High School. The value of the machine depreciates at the rate of 20% every year. It was purchased 6 years ago. If its present value is 17,496 cedis, its purchase price was what? A bonus to Dakris International School.
S.
The answer is 34,171.8, Dakris International School. This is your major question. The population of the town was 200,000 3 years ago. If it increased by 4%, 6%, and 10% respectively in the last 3 years, then the present population of the town is what? A bonus to Ghana Christian International High School. The answer is 2,042,528. Your major question, Ghana Christian International High School. The population of the town is 378,000. It decreases by 16% in the first year and increases by 10% in the second year. What is the population in the town at the end of 2 years? Bonus question, Dakris International School. The answer is 349,272. Your major question, Dakris International School. A trapezoid has side lengths of 10, 10, 10, and 22. What is the area of the trapezoid? Bonus, Ghana Christian International High School.
Pass.
The answer is 128. What is the base 10 value of 3,030? 3030 base 7 plus 30,303. So 30303 base 7. What is the base value of those numbers? What is the base 10 value? Bonus to Dakris International.
Pass.
The answer is 8,403. 8,403. Last two questions to end round 2. The area of a right triangle is numerically equal to 6 times its perimeter. If one of the legs of the triangle has length 40, then what is the perimeter of the triangle? Ghana Christian International High School, a bonus.
Pass.
The answer is 140. 140. Major question to Ghana Christian International High School. What is the sum of all real solutions to x cubed plus 12x is equal to 72 plus 6x squared? Bonus to Dakris International School. The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is 6. 6 is the right answer. Put your hands together for the contestants. We've come to the end of round 2 of the competition. And at the end of round 2 of the contest, Dakris International School had 0 points. Ghana Christian International High School had 30 points. Put your hands together for the contestants. Contestants, you're welcome to the STEM round. This is where I'll need your buzzers. You buzz to indicate your preparedness to answer a question. If you get it wrong, it will be passed on to the other school who had a chance of a bonus worth 10 points. Your correct answer is worth 10 points already. Contestants, please listen carefully. Molecular compounds can be found in all three states of matter at room temperature. Which one of the following molecule compounds is a liquid at room temperature? A, rubbing alcohol. B, sugar. C, carbon dioxide. D, propane. Yes.
Rubbing alcohol.
Rubbing alcohol is the right answer. The next question is this. The word atom is a Greek word meaning A, small, B, indivisible, C, unseen.
Atom.
Small.
Small is incorrect. The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is indivisible. As the word atom is a Greek word meaning. Your next question to both schools. The reason for the chemical similarity among elements of a given group in the periodic table is the A, similarity in the highest orbit electrons. B, similarity in the nuclear structure. C, fact that they all have the same number of protons. D, fact that they all have the same number of neutrons. Yes.
A.
A is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Next question to both schools. Listen carefully. Scientists have discovered a new element that they plan to name Bibarium based on naming rules. What would be the chemical symbol for Bibarium? A, capital B, small u. B, capital B, capital U. C, small b, capital U. D, small b, small u. Yes. Ghana Christians.
Capital B, small u.
Capital B, small u is the answer. Put your hands together for them. Next question. Hard water is related to the presence of high concentrations of primarily 4 metal ions in water supplies. Calcium and magnesium ions are the most common of the 4. Another one of these hard water ions which are found in certain areas is A, oxygen, B, hydrogen, C, manganese, D, carbon. Dakris
Manganese.
is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. When was the first Pioneer space probe launched by the United States of America? Is it A, 1974, B, 1958, C, 1961, or D, 1962? Yes.
1958.
That's the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Next question. What is the name of the first woman space tourists? A, Julianne Moore. B, Namira Salim. C, Paula Radcliffe. D, Anousheh Ansari. The answer is Anousheh Ansari. Put your hands together for the contestants. Next question to both schools. As the height of an orbiting satellite above the Earth's surface decreases, the speed of the satellite A increases, B decreases, C remains the same, D none of the above. As the height of an orbiting satellite above the Earth's surface decreases, the speed of the satellite A increases, B decreases, C remains the same, D none of the above. The answer is it increases. It increases. Next question. In which year was the first space station launched? In which year was the first space station launched? Is it 1971? Is it 1951? Is it 1981? Is it 1961? In which year was the first space station launched?
1971.
1971 is the right answer. Put your hands together for hair. Next question to both schools, and that's the last question for round 3. What is the meaning of tinnitus, which is considered to be one of the potential health effects as a result of exposure to high levels of noise? A temporary loss of hearing, especially of upper frequencies. B, abdominal discomfort from low frequency noise. C, a persistent ringing or hissing in the ears. D, a permanent loss of hearing.
A.
A is incorrect. Chance of the bonus. Yes.
C.
C is the right answer. Put your hands together for him. Ladies and gentlemen, contestants, that's the end of round 3 of the competition. Put your hands together for them. At the end of round 3 of the competition, ladies and gentlemen, this is what the scoreboard is telling us. Dakris International School had 10 points, and Ghana Christian International High School had 45 points. Put your hands together for them. Contestants, family and friends watching us at home, welcome to round 4 of the competition. This is a one-on-one round. We'll leave on stage the experts in English language. Kobina and Geraldine, you're welcome. In this round, the students are paired in 4 areas. 2 questions are asked per subject area for a maximum of 10 points for a right answer and no deduction for a wrong answer. You buzz to answer the question. Listen carefully. Correct the sentence, okay? If there's no correction to be made, state that there is no error. The question is, Ghana today stands at crucial crossroads with its history as an independent nation. There's no error in this question. To the next question in this round. Have you heard the news? Ajua and Amma are engaged. That is not new. I know it for ages.
I have known it for ages.
That's correct. Please put your hands together for the contestant. Let's bring on stage the expert team in mathematics, please. Kojo and Ellis, you're welcome. Listen carefully. In mathematics, the population of a town is 16,200. It decreases annually at the rate of 40% per annum. What was its population 3 years ago? 75,000 as answer A. B is 65,000. C is 84,900 and D is 93,600. Yes. C is incorrect. The correct answer is 75,000. 75,000. That's A. Next question. If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 400% and the denominator of that fraction is increased by 300%, the resultant fraction is 18 over 35. What is the original fraction? 72 over 175 as A. B is 87 over 123. C is 56 over 232. D is 45 over 241.
$72 over 125.
72 over 125 is incorrect. Well, the time is up. It is 72 over 175. Scientists, please join us. Science experts, please join us. Stacey, you're welcome. And Kezia, you're welcome too. In science, what is the name of the nanomaterial used to prevent clothing and other products from developing odor-causing bacteria? A. Nanoscale titanium dioxide. B. Nano whisker. C. Nanosilver. D. Nanoscale silica. What is the name? Yes?
A.
A is incorrect. Chance at the bonus. What is the name of the nanomaterial used to prevent? The answer is C. Nanosilver. The next question, contestants. Which animal can rotate its head about its neck 270 degrees? A cat. B, a snake. C, an owl. D,
An owl.
an owl is the right answer. Put your hands together for her. And let's welcome on stage the experts in general knowledge. General knowledge, please. Lorenda, you're welcome. For general knowledge, I know this is one of the favorite aspects for a lot of you seated there. Identify this personality. Yes.
Trevor Noah.
That's Trevor Noah. For your next question, listen to this and identify the artist who sang this song. Yes.
Noel Laos.
is Noella or something. From the VAR of the Sharks Quiz competition, the answer to Wiala will be given. Put your hands together for the VR team, please. Just welcome on stage the other contestants. We've come to the end of round 4 of the competition. This is what our score masters are telling us at the end of round 4 of the competition. At the end of round 4, Ghana Christian International High School had 20 points, and Dakris International School also had 20 points. Put your hands together for them. Ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the entire contest, this is what the scoreboard is telling us. Dakris International School at the end of the contest had 90 points, and Ghana Christian International High School at the end of the contest had 115 points. Contestants, congratulations and thank you for coming. For Ghana Christian International High School, see you in the next round of the competition. Well done. For Dakris International School, congratulations to yourselves. We'll see you hopefully next year, and I trust that you do better in the next season of the Junior Sharks Quiz competition. Put your hands together for the contestants. Ladies and gentlemen, those of you watching us at home, we've come to the end of another exciting episode of the most innovative quiz competition in the country, the Sharks Quiz competition. This is the Junior Sharks Season 6. My name is Noble Crosby and your quiz master. I'll see you again some other time. Bye-bye.
Everybody knows Acrobato. And if you know Acrobato, it means you know M-Punch Homeopathic Clinic.